In this video, I will show you how you can fix if your iPad won't turn on. Now, if your iPad screen is black and if it does not turn on, so there are a few fixes for this issue. For the first fix, just press and hold the side button on your iPad. As you can see at the top of your iPad, you will find both of your volume buttons, but at the side you will find the power button. Now just press and hold the power button until you see the Apple logo on the screen. Now it should take 5 to 10 seconds, but as you see the Apple logo on the screen, just release the side button. Now just wait until your iPad finishes restarting. As you can see, our iPad has turned on. But if you have done that and if your iPad did not turn on, then just perform a force restart on your iPad. For that, just press and release the volume up button and the volume down button. Then quickly press and hold the side button on your iPad until you see the Apple logo on the screen. Now since our iPad is already turned on, it will show this screen, but you should keep pressing and holding the button until you see the Apple logo on the screen. And as you see the Apple logo, just release the side button. Now after the force restart process is completed, then just check if your issue has been fixed or not. If your issue is still not fixed, then just use the charging cable of your iPad and plug in your iPad into charge. But before you start charging your iPad, use your charger to charge another device and make sure that your charger is working properly. Also make sure that the adapter and the cable are not damaged. Also check the charging port of your iPad and make sure that there is no dust or debris stuck in the charging port. If you find any dust or debris in the charging port, just clean it using a soft brush. After that, just plug in your iPad into charge for 20 to 30 minutes. And after that, just perform a force restart on your iPad and this should fix your issue. But if you have done all of that and if your issue is still not fixed, then you might have a hardware problem with your iPad. Just take your iPad to the nearest service center and they will fix your issue. And this is it. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.